Okay, so here we are out in the middle. Here I am by myself out in the middle of the Indian River, and we got patches of wind and then we got patches of dead spot. Fortunately, I've got close to 300 square feet of sail area, so I'm able to keep moving. I think I got like 260 or 270 square feet. So I'm able to keep moving even in the spots where there's not really that much wind at all. And it's a nice day out. And I better pull this in a little bit. It's a nice day. And it's supposed to be some rain later, but there's none out right now. And I'm going to have to put this down and pay attention to what I'm doing because I got a boat approaching in front of me. So there he is, way up there. As long as the wind doesn't pick up, I can keep going. Look at him, he's feeling. That'll go away here in a moment when he passes through this. As he starts to go upright again. I'm going to give me a chart where I can put some pins in it for every place I go on the Indian River. And I've only got a couple of places so far, but we'll get some more on there. See if I can keep going here so I can get him as it passes by. Hear the wind, hear the sails. There he goes. Hoping to get me a GoPro video camera so I can mount it on the boat and be able to like maybe put it at the bow, point it back toward us. Going on. Alright. So anyway, I'll see if I can get this posted a little later on YouTube, maybe on Facebook. If you all enjoy my video. Anyway, take care, and hopefully I won't turn this thing over anytime today.